Alright guys, what's up? I'm William Morris and I'm back today with another Howto Tuesday, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to 360. Alright, so now that you're learning 360s, you should know how to at least 180, half cab, maybe full cab, but you can either learn the 360 or the full cab at first. It doesn't really matter, but when you're first starting off with this trick, you're gonna definitely want to be really comfortable with 180s, like be able to do them at any speed, going fast, going slow, like anything, because you just want to be comfortable with rotation and know how to turn your head. So once you're comfortable with that, you're going to start off with the 360. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to end up tapping. So you're going to get around to the 180 position and you're going to end up tapping the rest of the way. Because that's just how it is, because you're not used to the full 360 rotation. What you want to do for this 360 is you're going to want to carve a lot more. And just remember, 360s take a lot more energy, so just don't do it at the end of the sesh when you're all tired. So you're going to want to come at it with a little bit of speed, carve a lot more than you usually would. Turn your head before you actually even start jumping, because with the 360, you have to put 5 times as much force as you usually would with tricks. So you're going to want to pick up as hard as you can, turn your head, and what you're usually going to do is you're going to land like about here because you're used to the 180. So don't worry about it for now, because you're going to get rid of the tap as you keep doing it and getting better at it. So once you land with the back tire tap, all you're going to want to do is use pedal pressure and just bring yourself around with that. If you're on a free coaster, you can use the pedal pressure for a 3 tap too, just by keeping your coaster engaged before you do the 360, so don't move your foot back at all. So just keep it engaged. You're gonna end up doing it like this and then do it. I'll demonstrate taps for you like right now so you guys know what it looks like, but you're gonna end up doing taps, and just as you go, you're gonna get more comfortable with it and overall just end up getting less and less taps. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple 360s right now, and then I'll give you guys a couple more tips on this trick. Okay, so like you can see when I showed you the tap, that's what you're going to be doing at first, like a lot. You're just going to be tapping a lot, and they're not going to look as clean as the 360s you might have seen in the beginning of the video, but you'll get there over time because it just all takes time and patience. You're not going to get it overnight. So, one second, there's a car. Alright, when you're doing the 360, when you're actually turning your head, there's 2 different ways you could turn it. You could turn it over your shoulder, or some of my friends I know, and I used to do this a little bit at first too. Instead of looking over your shoulder, you kind of go like this and you look under like your armpit or whatever. Like that's just another way of doing it. As long as you're turning your head and like hopping like really high, then you know you're gonna get it. And tips on like how to start getting rid of the tap. So once you actually get like pretty comfortable with the full 360 rotation, when you actually go to hop, you're going to want to pull up as hard as you can, like I said earlier. But once you pull up as hard as you can, once you get to the 180 part, you're going to want to kind of like once you get to the 180, alright, sorry, there's another car, but like I was saying, once you actually get to the 180 part, you're going to want to kind of dip your front end down and kind of like try to bring your back end up more, just so, because like every once in a while you'll get it to like where you just barely start tapping, and that's just what's gonna get you mad the most, because you're barely tapping but you're still tapping. So what you're gonna want to try to do is kind of like dip like this, because you know, like if you ever seen an edit or anything, like sometimes the pros do the hops where they hop like this. This is what you're gonna want to try to do, but while in a 360, because it'll give you that extra like meter, millimeter, or whatever, centimeter, whatever it is. It'll give you that extra little oomph just to get that full 360 so that you're not tapping. Overall, that's all the tips I have for a 360, because it's kind of self-explanatory. If you go 180, you just kind of throw 180 with a little bit of look. You should be able to land a 3 tap the same day, but to get rid of the full tap, that could take a while. You never know. It all just depends on who you are as a rider and like how fast you progress. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video or need any more tips, let me know down in the comments below. And if I taught you this, please drop a like and subscribe to my video. This was a Howto Tuesday number 2, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.